Hello everyone, this is John. Here's how to project from an Android device to your computer's display. The first thing you will need to do is install an optional feature on your Windows 10 device. Go into Settings, Apps and Features. Select the optional features. You add a feature and select the wireless display, which basically downloads and installs the Connect app. Then open the Connect app. Here it is. You can then share your Android or iOS phone screen to your computer. Also, no one would want to project on his bare screen, so you would want to maybe connect something different and project to something a bit bigger maybe. And also different devices have different screencast options. For example, on this one it's just under cast screen here, and you'll have to enable wireless display, and here it's under settings, display, and wireless display. Yes. So when you finished setting up your device, you can then cast your screen, and also on the device that's currently recording, it is called Mirror Share. So you can basically just open your browser and search for your device and cast screen. Here's the Nexus 5, for example, and here's our direct result. After you have opened the Connect app, by the way, you can go full screen, and then when you find your device, my laptop is currently called desktop-op230ls. Let's just select it here, and yes, it will soon start projecting. There it is. And from here you can navigate. There is a slight delay in the navigation from your tablet and your monitor, but anyway, this covers it. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.